Okay, so we're going to be driving into Macau, and we're going to be going shortly over the Macau's longest bridge. We're going to take a little tour to try to get there. That'll take a bit of a challenge itself. And so stay tuned. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are. We're going to be trying to navigate to get there for one, which will maybe be interesting. So we're going to be going by, there's some universities right to the right. I could have went up and you'd have had a pretty good view. It kind of goes up into the mountains that way, but we're going to try to angle it this way. There's a nice temple right there to the right. And this is kind of a little waterfront, and we're going to be navigating towards the longest bridge, which is way over there. You can see it now. There it is. So we are going to be going for that space. And if you're curious, this is, what would that be? The one that's closest to Hong Kong. So I guess that would be the most eastern bridge. There's 3 bridges that go between Macau and Taipa. Some kind of cool housing in this area, especially that one that's to the right. And let's see. I forget I'll put the name of this bridge in the title for sure. There's a little bit of it there. And you're kind of getting a little view of what Macau is like. Straight ahead is Grand Taipa. That you can do some hiking up there. Taipa Grande mountain or hill. I'm not sure. I guess they wouldn't call it a mountain, but it's definitely a nice size hill. Some good views. And also to the left is a cemetery. Let's see, we're kind of on the other side of the university, and this particular part of Taipa, where we're on the island of Taipa, is a little bit more industrial. But you can see a sign right here that says Macau. So they refer to what I'm on as Taipa, and the other side is called Macau. So we're going to be heading over to the Macau side. Oh, look at that line. Big line. There's a guy with some groceries, huh? Looks like there's lots of construction here. And this area straight ahead is the cemetery. I'll turn this off for now. Okay. Looks like we took a few minutes, so it's good. I just turned off the camera for a little bit. It's better. So now we're going to be entering shortly on this big, massive bridge. You're going to get some good views from this bridge as well. And we have to merge into this other lane, so good luck with that, eh? Dang. I could merge in right now, but there's but I'm kind of waiting for the other ones in front of me to merge in first. I'm kind of stuck here. This is interesting. So we are going to get on the bridge shortly, but I want to get that one above me to get up there first. There we go. That's a mess. Those other ones just aren't going, so okay, good. They all got going, so now we're good, finally. Okay, so we're gonna be off to the bridge to Macau. There you go, Macau, there's the sign. Whew! It wasn't that easy to merge onto that little mess. And there's the big, massive bridge. This is the longest bridge in Macau. And on the other side is the bridge to Hong Kong. That's of course much bigger, but that of course goes outside of our jurisdiction. If you can see to the left a little bit, those are some casinos over there. MGM is over there. And it's a handful of them. MGM, Wynn, and then a ton of little ones like President and whoa, the motor scooters on this bridge don't have their own lane. In the lane that's way over on the other side, they do have a lane. But over here, they do not. And you're gonna get some pretty good views to the left in a little bit. I think what I'm gonna do is just keep the camera focused on this way for now. And then when I feel like it's an okay time to move it, I will, because I'm using a suction cup. The problem is the motor scooters, they use this little tiny narrow lane on the left to pass people. Okay, let's do this over. So I don't know if that's good for you or not, but you can now see the lake, not the lake, the ocean, and you can also see some of the other views. It might be better if I was on Zoom, but we're just going to leave it as is because I don't want to mess with it. This is a pretty long bridge, and in a little bit you're going to be able to, actually if I had it straight forward, all you would see is a bus. I was thinking about moving it back because basically I'm kind of going up into the sky, and then we're going to come back down again. Then you're going to start seeing some of the views. And also, as you can see, the motorbikes, they just kind of go around you. I saw one pretty bad accident here. There was a guy who, I don't know, he caught his foot maybe on another car or something like that, but his foot was all blood. And yeah, he was sitting up here, kind of up where I'm at right now. He was waiting for the ambulance to arrive. So yeah, I don't know, for whatever reason the motor scooters in the city, they like to try to pass in the narrow little lanes like that and just try to, you know, get around. They go much faster than the cars usually, and they definitely pay the price because the accidents they get into is pretty horrific. And as you can see, they'll keep passing me on the left as well. So now I think you can get a pretty good view of, there's the Sands Casino, and then you can see Macau Tower in the left. Grand Palace Casino. There's a bunch of different casinos that you can see. You might be able to see Fisherman's Wharf in a minute. Fisherman's Wharf is sorry, that is Fisherman's Wharf right there in front of Sands, but you'll be able to see the ferry terminal shortly. So now I think you're getting a better view from this big long bridge. I'll move the camera back over here so you can see what I'm doing again. And to the right is the big oasis thing over to Hong Kong. And I have a couple of choices when I get up here. I could just keep going on this bridge, or I could also turn and go into the ferry terminal, or I could go straight and go towards that little Hong Kong thing. There's the bridge to Hong Kong right there. You can see the notification for it. Too many choices. All of them good. It's kind of a challenge in this area because you have to watch out for all the motorbikes because they come so close on the left side. You don't want to hit a bigger car on the right side either. Both are pretty disastrous. And I have a choice, I can take a left or straight. I think I'm going to go straight. And we're going to keep going on this bridge because I decided to go straight. If we took a left, we'd go to the ferry terminal. And then if we kept going, we could go right to the border gate. So anyways, that's the longest bridge in Macau, right there. And I might actually do this bridge to Hong Kong in a minute. That'll be a separate video though, of course. And you can see we're coming out, it's something called either Aeropreta or the bridge to Hong Kong, Zhuhai, Macau, or to the Porto Sisirco is the border gate. And I think I'm gonna turn off the camera now. So I hope you enjoyed going over that bridge. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.